Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Yeah, so this video has got nothing to do with driving, not like the normal videos that I put out there to help you guys and educate you about driving and help you with your driving test. So this is about me wearing my cap and you guys commenting about me always wearing it, and some of you trying to be funny saying, do I even wear it to sleep? Yeah, it is kind of funny though, yeah. And so yeah, I thought yeah, let's do a video about taking my cap off and a hair reveal. Because a lot of you have been, like I said, commenting and are interested about the topic. If you're not, you don't need to watch it. Yeah. So yeah, basically, since a teenager, I started wearing a cap, and since then it's kind of stuck. Well, not like literally stuck to my head, but I've always got used to wearing it. And even when I became a driving instructor, I was like, should I be more professional, put a shirt on, trousers, and I don't know, dress smart? But then I thought, I'm in the car all day, I just wear what I'm comfortable with. And yeah, so I've always basically stuck to tracksuit bottoms, trainers, and now have my DGN fleece or other jackets or t-shirts, and yeah, my cap. The main thing is that when I do get a learner in the car, I help them and they get results. I don't think learners are too fussed about what I'm wearing, as long as I get the results. And yeah, to be honest, I don't think I look too scruffy anyway in these, do I? Hopefully not. Yeah. So yeah, this is how I've always been teaching. Even when I have well, my instructor tests, because we get tested quite often as well, I just go like this and I still get the results that I need. So yeah, like I said, the main thing is the teaching standards there, and I kind of know how to help people with their driving, and I know how to get results. I think that's the most important thing. Okay, right then. So guys, if you guys want to see a video of me taking my cap off, then you need to download the Ultimate Driving course. I'm only joking. Sorry, I just had to get that in there. I'm just messing. Yeah, there's no video in the Ultimate Driving course about that. Okay, right. So but what I'm gonna do is, yeah, take my cap off in an actual YouTube video. Will be done when I reach 1 million subscribers. So yeah, I'm getting there gradually. And so if you guys want to see me take my cap off in a YouTube video, then hit the subscribe button. But for now, what I will do is give you guys access to my personal Instagram, where you'll see pictures of me without my cap. And my personal Instagram is Pin Binning, and I will be accepting everyone as long as you guys have followed us on DGN Driving. That's the Instagram page, DGN Driving, and then you can add me on Instagram at Pin Binning, and like I said, I'll give everyone access. Just make sure you guys have got your profile pictures on as well. So yeah, I'll be adding everyone's. It has got all my personal stuff on there, but you know what, you guys are like family as well now. So yeah, you want to see me without my cap, yeah, just send me an ad on Instagram at Pin Binning. So yeah, I'll see you guys on there. And guys, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.